Have you ever wondered whether these step drills that you buy online, you know, the bloody cheap ones, whether they actually work? I mean, the video that they show you before you buy the bloody things, they look really, really awesome. But do they actually work? I sent away to Temu for these 3 stepping drills, $6 I think, or $6.50 for the 3 of them. So that's about $2 each, $2.20, plus it was free shipping. So for that sort of money, you're going to take a chance, right? If you have a look at the bloody Temu video, you see that they're drilling. You can see they're using these, and they're drilling like 10mm, 8mm, 10mm steel. No problem whatsoever. And then they get a bloody bit of thin box section, and then they're drilling that without even pilot holes. So I thought to myself, this looks pretty bloody good, Pete. I've got to get me some of these. And they even drill straight through a bloody padlock, which I've got my doubts about. Anyway, let's see if these things work. I mean, they're even supposed to be tungsten coated. High speed steel for $2. Really? So I found a bit of plate. I think it's about 5mm thick. Now if you have a look, it's already got a bloody hole in it. So what we want to do is use the stepping drill, see if we can make this hole just a little bit bigger. That should be easy peasy lemon squeezy for a titanium coated stepping drill like this. So let's have a go. Now, I don't know about you, but I think that is really crappy. I mean, it didn't do 2/5 of FA. Look at it. It's total, look, I think it's rubbish. I mean, I know $2 is only $2, but I mean, we all watched that video. This thing's supposed to be magic, right? But I think it's just bollocks. So I went down the local hardware store and we had a look to see what they had. And wow, those prices vary, man. You can start at a single step drill for about $22. Going right up to a DeWalt single step drill, about $113. I'm not paying $113 for a bloody step drill, so I stuck with the cheaper end. This one cost $23. It's also titanium coated and it's made of high speed steel. Check it out guys, it's also made in China, but it's made to New Zealand and Australian standards, whatever the hell that means. Let's have a look at this beast and see what we get. As you can see, it's a lot bigger than the one from Temu, but it looks about the bloody same to me. It's just 10 times the price. Oh shit, I think it's a little bit sharper. So do you reckon this one's going to be any better? I've got my bloody doubts, personally. Can't be any worse. Oh shit. Oh shit, a brick. Ooh. Thing's trying to rip my hand off. I'm going to clamp it down. If we jam it in the vise, it's not going to get away on us. gotta say, that worked a hell of a lot better than the one from Temu. What do you reckon? Now, I purposely didn't go for the DeWalt one that was about 110 bucks, 112 bucks, because I didn't think that would fare. I wanted to compare the Temu step drill with the Chinese step drill that you buy down your local hardware store. But even so, this is 20 times the price of this. Is this worth 20 times more than this? But what I will say is this actually does what it's supposed to do. I wonder if this will actually drill through a padlock. No way, this won't drill through a bloody padlock. Let's find out though, eh? No way, man. Are you kidding me? Holy shit. Wow. What do you think of that, guys? That is absolutely bloody unbelievable. Wow-wee. I love drilling holes and shit, eh? Especially when stuff works that you don't think was going to. Look at that. So I guess when it says on the packet that it's made to New Zealand and Australian standards, it actually means something. That really surprised the hell out of me. Anyway, I'm going to go and finish my beer. Between you and me, I might actually open another one or two or four. And we'll see you next time, eh? And remember to subscribe if you like watching a silly old git in his garage. And we'll see you next time. Bye.
Pete'sTools.com